Let me ask you something. Have you ever caught yourself staring at your phone, just wondering if she's thinking about you at all? That sinking feeling when she starts to pull away, when everything you once shared feels like it's vanishing into thin air? What if I told you there's a proven way to flip the entire script, to make her regret leaving, to make her chase after you this time? And no, it's not about bombarding her with texts or begging for another shot. It's about flipping the power dynamic so hard that she can't stop obsessing over you until she's the one reaching out first. Stick with me till the end, because I'm going to share the exact mindset shift that transforms heartbreak into total control. And once you understand this shift, you'll never find yourself begging for attention again. This isn't just another get your ex back type of talk. This is about reclaiming your power, about figuring out why women pull away in the first place, not how to become the man she simply can't leave behind. Whether it's a breakup or she's just losing interest, what I'm about to break down applies. Today, I'm giving you 14 proven steps, each one designed to reignite her emotional and psychological attraction toward you. By the end, you won't just understand what works, but why it works and how to apply it for life. So grab your coffee, lean back, and lock in, because every step builds on the next. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Accept the breakup like a man. The moment she starts pulling away, your instinct kicks in. You want to fix it. Call her, explain, apologize. Do anything to patch things up. But here's the truth. That reaction is exactly what drives her further away. You've got to do the opposite. Accept the breakup. Don't fight it. Don't beg. Don't chase. Why? Because acceptance screams strength. Shows her you're not emotionally reliant. And deep down, women crave that strength. When she sees you not trying to win her back, curiosity begins to rise. Why is he so calm? Does he not care? Has he found someone else? That right there is the first powerful seed of doubt. And remember, calm acceptance doesn't mean weakness. It means control. And with control, you win. Now that you've nailed acceptance, let's talk about the next power move, cutting her access to you. Step 2. Go silent. Master the no contact rule. Silence is power. And when used properly, it drives her insane. No contact isn't about punishing her. It's about giving space. Space for her to miss you. Think about it. How can anyone miss you if you're always present? Silence forces her to sit with the truth of losing you. It makes her compare life with you to life without you. And trust me, those memories will return. The laughs, the private jokes, all of it. She'll start to wonder, why isn't he calling? Why isn't he texting? And that wonder, it quickly turns into obsession. No contact is your battlefield. Win this part, and you win the entire war. But silence by itself isn't enough. There's a critical thing you must do during this phase. Step 3. Level up. Work on yourself. Now that you've gone quiet, it's time to level up. This is where most guys fail. They wait around, they sulk, they spiral downward. Wrong move, you've got to hit the gym. Chase your goals, reignite your passions, become the man she wishes she never walked away from, and post that progress. Show the globe not for her, but for you. Success is attractive. When she sees you thriving, evolving, and glowing up without her, regret starts creeping in. That's where the power starts shifting, because now, the man she lost is way out of reach, and that terrifies her. Once you start leveling up, it's time to tap into some subtle psychological tactics. Step 4. Trigger her emotional memories. Women don't fall for logic, they fall for emotion. And nothing hits deeper than emotional memory. While you're in no contact, every now and then drop something subtle, a song lyric, a photo location, or a story she knows is about her. Be low-key, not obvious. Be strategic. You're not texting her, you're reminding her. That triggers nostalgia, regret, curiosity. And suddenly, she's smiling at her phone, missing what you two had, and wondering if you miss it too. But what happens if she decides to test the waters? Step 5. Respond with strength. If she reaches out, if she texts you, don't jump like a puppy. Keep your cool, be short, be polite, and be in control. You're not trying to prove anything. You're simply showing you're doing just fine. If she says, hey, just checking on you, say something like, I'm good. Hope all is well. Short, neutral, emotionally detached. This response does two things. It shows her you're not desperate, and it makes her question her decision. She expected you to fall apart, but you didn't. And now the chase begins. But to flip the game entirely, you need something more. Step 6. Become a mystery she can't crack. There's something magnetic about a man who keeps her guessing. Right now, she believes she knows you, your patterns, your moves, your emotions, your job. Break those patterns. Use mystery as your secret weapon. But mystery alone won't cut it. You need to bring back something even more powerful. Purpose. Step 7. Reignite your purpose. Be mission-focused. Here's a truth most men miss. Women don't want to be the center of your world. They're drawn to a man with a world of his own and the confidence to invite her into it. When you're mission-driven, you become magnetic. Women follow purpose. They don't lead it. And once your purpose is lit, it's time to show it off. Step 8. Leverage social proof. Make her see your value. Let's be real, women compete, especially over a man they used to have. The second she notices that other women find you desirable, something shifts. Was he always this valuable? Did I miss something? That's how jealousy gets triggered. And once it hits, the regret starts to grow. But now comes the part most men can't handle. Step 9. Develop unshakable patience. Most men fold when results don't show up fast. But you wait. Patience is emotional mastery. It proves you're deliberate, not desperate. And when you don't break, her respect for you skyrockets. Patience isn't passive, it's power at its finest. Now that you've built patience, use it to unlock something else. Step 10. Use nostalgia to reignite her feelings. People forget words, but they remember feelings. And nostalgia? It's one of the deepest emotional triggers. That emotional door you thought was closed, you've just opened it again? But if you want her back for real, you need to be someone she couldn't handle before. Step 11. Become the man she couldn't handle before sometimes. She left because you weren't that guy yet. Too clingy, too available, too predictable. Now it's time to fix that. And that new version of you, he's not sitting around anymore. That's what makes the regret real. Now you're ready to slide back in, but on your terms. Step 12. Reappear casually, but with power. This is your comeback moment. After silence, you show back up, but cool, calm, detached. That, right there, is one of the most attractive energies you can bring. And when she finally shows interest again, you do the next thing. Step 13. Set boundaries if she comes back, if she reaches out or asks to meet. You hit her with this. I'm open to talking, but I'm not interested in repeating the past. That's your power move. Now you're the prize. She's the one who has to earn your place, just like it should be. Now, for the final step, one that defines everything. Step 14. Decide if you still want her once she's chasing again. Ask yourself, do I even want her back? Because becoming this upgraded version of yourself, that was the real win all along. So there it is. 14 steps to flip the script and pull her back in. But by the time she's reaching out again, you just might realize you're too good to take her back. And that's the whole point. Become the man women chase, not the one chasing them. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Please like, comment, and share if you want to keep these videos coming.